while the sentiments and memories are haunting me. But at least I think I'm more than my regrets, my mistakes, the pills I take in every cigarette, depending to my ways soon to be on its way. But introversion's my diversion from the sense of decay. Oh, reflections showcase my imperfections, and I can't even recognize myself. And the tension of perpetual suspension, cycles of living life as someone else. Thanks. Woo! Okay, so who here is familiar with Joan Osborne?
Okay. That makes you feel really old.
Alright, well, in other words, like, what about that song, What If God Was One of Us?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, well,
Okay,
I don't personally believe in God, but I believe very strongly in the public transportation system. So this song is called What If God Was Just a Bus. I wasn't kidding. What if God was just a bus, blowing gaskets in our caskets dust, and every axle starts to rust on its way home? And if God was just a bus, killing kids out on a cause, then I guess that's just a bus on its own. Yeah, my God is good, and I know to bow down when I should. And yeah, sure, anyone scared waiting on an answer from their prayers. What if God was just a bus? What if God was just a bus, driven by some guy named Gus? What if God was just a bus? Thank you. A little bit about me. I'm from Bloomington, Indiana, but I grew up in the great state that is Illinois. This is... Definitely.
Which is where we live!
Congratulations, Sam, you know where you are!
Alright, so this next song is called Small Talk, and it's about how many times I can talk about the weather with some people before I lose my mind. I'm alone again, and who would have thought that I'm still the kid everyone left and forgot? But at least my bed is comfortable, so I guess that I am too. Wrap myself on blankets and in thoughts made of you, and things can get so much better and so much worse, and I guess I'll see which one comes first. But for now I only know it hurts, Please don't look at me like that, like you know me as a fact. Cause I am more than a kid who just sits in the back, whose voice is never heard, who never speaks a word. Cause I am more than a fact that I'm so insecure. You don't know me at all, you're a friend that never calls, making small talk so small when I'm different, just tall. There's one thing I've learned in the books I have read, that there's something left to say, but it's better left unsaid. You don't know me at all, you're a friend that never calls, making small talk so small when I'm much or just tall. Sometimes when bridges burn, the fire often spreads with no reasons left to stay, but nowhere to go instead. Thanks. Thank you. Thanks for coming.
Thanks for being here.
Yeah, man. No problem. I love it here. So much to do, so much to see.
So what's wrong with taking the back street?
Never know if you don't grow.
Hadley's hearing somewhere.
I really wish Hadley could have been here.
Somewhere a shiver goes through her spine.
Fucking smack mouth.
Somewhere in the world.
I sense a disturbance in the force. This song's for Hadley, who's not here. Miss you, Hadley. She's not dead. She's not dead.
You are departed. She's from Knox College.
Oh, actually, she's in California right now.
So she's like,
Alright, so this song's called Heartache. It really has nothing to do with Hadley. I miss too many people that probably don't know my name anymore. I spent too much time on daydreams made up of anything before. But is growing up forgetting what it feels like to be young? 'Cause I found nothing is as comforting as those lullabies you sung. The words you didn't mean to sing never meant to mean anything to me. But I forgot how to fall asleep when I forgot the sound of your voice when you hum. Disease, or is this just growing up? No, I'm not strong enough for all of this. Is this what it seems? Another case of bad luck or something else I fucked up? Everyone that I missed to prove that my heart still exists. 'Cause we're growing up and we're growing apart, and the space in my chest that is meant for a heart feels empty but whole. I guess time took its toll. Whoa, 'cause we're growing up and we're growing apart. This place in my chest that is meant for a heart feels empty but whole. I guess time took its toll. How can hearts be satisfied by what they can't control? Alright. Thanks. That song's called Heartache, and this song's called Heartaches. Plural.
Plural.
Yes, it's like if you've ever seen that movie Alien. Or the sequel, Aliens. It takes some time, wasting weeks, months, years of your prime. My heart aches, ignore the amount of time it takes, or the effort my pulse makes, and I can feel it beating, yet it keeps repeating. Have you heard me complain and whine about how I'm alone all of the time? The comfort of what I can't call mine keeps telling me that I'll be fine. Close my eyes in the hopes to fall asleep, yet attempt to find some sense of peace when every bad memory I keep around most disgust that won't stop haunting me. Thanks. Okay. Got a few more, I guess. I've been on tour for over a month. It's a wonderful band, Kitten Crisis.
Sorry.
I never would have passed. So this is a song for any queer folk at the show. It's about being queer. Don't call it a sickness, don't call it a curse. My heart may be broken, but I know it works. Who are you to tell me what it beats for? And there's a disease that you keep reinventing. I won't respect you when you can't accept me, or the problems that you conveniently ignore. Because I'm a human being, I am not a condition. Fuck you and fuck all your predispositions. I'll sing this loud until I lose my voice. It's a matter of fact, not a matter of choice. I'm a human being, I'm not a condition. Fuck you and fuck all your predispositions. Kitten Crisis is gonna play. Alright, here's a few songs I don't play anymore. I don't know how to sing it. Mabel, Mabel, if you're able, put your elbows on the table. Stay secure and oh so stable, like differentiate fairy tales from fables. Made to make you feel so small. The rest of the world is just scared and tall. And I know it's hard not to care at all, but it's about how far you go, not how far you fall. The stars have left all their scars, and scars never heal. Your dreams have machines of their seams, I'll find out if they're real. Everything had to start while we broke our hearts just to feel. Your dreams had machines of their seams that no one could steal. I try my hardest not to let my depression get the best of me. I try my hardest to let my personality be the only thing that defines me. I don't wanna be defined by where I fucking drink coffee or by what clothes that I wear, what stupid bands I like to listen to, or how I style my hair, nor my sexual orientation, nor if I hate the body that I was born in, nor my past or who the fuck I've been. But I'm usually too quiet, and I'm rarely too loud. I'm self-aware, and I'm self-conscious. That makes me feel ashamed and proud. Than I am a product of your fucking society. I wasn't made to fit your boxes were made to fit me. And I developed a sense of morality when I addressed all the things that bother me. I need to believe what I believe and not just what others tell me. 'Cause I'm more of a product of my mother and father than I am a product of the people that I bother. 'Cause I'm more of a product of my mother and father than I am some product of the people that I bother. Okay. Yes, two more?
Yeah.
Cool. This is a love song. It's a little Kitten Crisis. Woo! I can see it all. I see my future falling down, and I can see right through the walls of our comfortable hometown. I can see you in the sky, and I can feel you in the clouds, and I can smell you in the wind and in the air that's all around. And I can make out your voice in the loudest of crowds. You speed up my heart, but you also calm me down. And you are more magnificent than any known noun. And hear you sleep and breathe was the most comforting sound. And I know that you don't care if my set where I shamelessly plug myself. I have tapes and CDs and patches. If you're into that kind of thing, please talk to me. Before I play this last song, thanks again. Yeah. And also, I have a question. Who here is into My Chemical Romance? People? Okay, alright. Please. Yeah. I hear some people are not a fan of that band. But if you're a fan of that band, please sing along to this very silly cover. No, please, I very encourage you to do it because
You've been summoned.
I slept through most of the sunset as if I never cared for what birds have to say. Calling quits in between coughing fits from the tar in my lungs. I welcome to stay, won't you? Humor me and indulge the cliche. I'm quiet cause I got nothing to say. It persists in the way I exist, so I keep my head up and try to feel okay. Am I more than what I know, or am I simply what I see? I'm a shell of who I was and of who I'm going to be. But my sense of self is something that I guess is up to me. But I can't breathe and I just can't breathe. I can't breathe and I just can't breathe. Alright, you ready? When I was a young boy, my father took me into the city to see a marching band. He said, son, when you grow up, will you be the savior of the broken, the beaten, and the damned? Please sing that sounds great. He said, will you defeat them, your demons, and all the non-believers, the plans that they have made? Because one day I'll leave you a phantom to lead you in the summer to join the Black Parade. When I was a young boy, my father took me into the city to see a marching band. He said, son, when you grow up, will you be the savior of the broken, the beaten, and the damned? Thanks.
Donate his friends down the road for quite some time and they've got to get home, so if you can spare a couple bucks, this is the donation pot. It's on my head. Feel free to punch something behind it, but I know a lot of already have, so it's all good. Oh, thank you so much.
Hey, feel free to, to get on up and come close if you want. Cause I want to try to make sure that everyone can, everyone can see it and hear it and wants to hear it and that nonsense. We're Kitten Crisis. We've been on tour for a month, and you're in my house. So thanks for coming over.
Don't break anything.
We came here to rock and roll. So, feel free to groove it. Oh yeah, we're doing karaoke after Kitten Crisis is done playing, so stick around. We've been around the country and back. It's been pretty wild. No place like Galesburg, Illinois, though. When you look at me, tell me what you see. Do you see just another loser? I stay up at night by the candlelight, watching rom-coms on my computer. Feels good, hold on me. I want you totally. All that I wanna be is what you need. don't know how to, 'cause I can't think straight when you're here. I know you think I'm stupid, I know I'm acting weird. Woo! If you want to, I just want to make sure that everyone can get inside the room, you know? Hey, this one goes out to Matsu Guy. Matsu Guy's the best freaking guy on campus. You should get to know him. This song's for all you true freaks and psychos out there. A lot about me and you, and I wonder if you have been too. Do you feel the same way I do? I don't know, but I hope so. I've been thinking a lot about last fall. Wonder if I can give you that phone call. Do you even want to hear from me at all? I don't know, but I hope so. You don't like your tattoos, but I think they're always true. I only hope I see you soon, so I can tell you that I miss you. Goddamn, I like you so much that it's stupid. So no, I'm never getting over you. Goddamn, I like you so much that it's stupid. Yeah, I like you. So, like, we're a punk band. Like, really punk. We're just a couple of scumfuck gutter punks looking to wreck some shit.
Uncle Punks!
But, we're gonna bring it down for just a moment, you know? It's like, cause like we gotta have a sensitive side, you know? Good for that guy. So like, if you gotta get it out, you know, if you wanna be sad, you wanna get it out, like, let's just get it all out right now, cause it's only going up from here. Normally when we're on tour, you know, for the last month, like I say, like, oh, you know, we got t-shirts and records and stuff for the sale in the back, but we didn't come here to sell t-shirts, we came here to fucking rock and roll. You know, it's like, all we have left is our t-shirts, and the tour is almost over, so if you want one, just have them. I mean, let's get wild. We didn't come here to sell t-shirts, we came to give them away. The tour is over, we made it, so. Yeah, this is my bedroom. It's really funny. Anyway, sorry, let's get sad. I should have said something better. Forget whatever I said. anyway, now that all that nonsense is done and over with, it's out of the way, I was just thinking about that time you and I were hanging out. You know what I'm talking about. Yeah. Outside of cemetery, where we talked all night long. I said no, didn't hear me, but I think I was wrong. I'm so nervous, I'm fading. I'm the tail as you move. I won't keep you so swinging. I'll be joining them soon. Ooh, I've been dying to see you. One look and you killed me again. Ooh, I've been dying to see you, and I know this night never ends. Ooh, I've been dying to see you. One look and you killed me again. Ooh, I've been dying to see you, and I know this night never ends. We're gonna play a few more. Thanks for coming out. Oh, so I guess trying to think of a tasteful way to say this, because I know that there are a lot of first years here tonight. That's awesome. We have punk shows here all the time in Galesburg, in houses and basements, at the Bean Hive, at Glory Days, the barber shop on Cherry Street. You'll see flyers for them around campus and around town, and it'd be awesome if you could come out and show your support whenever you can for the touring bands, and I mean, that's it. My brain is too big for my tiny head. Too full of stupid things that people say. If I could say them now, asserted them somehow, I'd fill it with the thought of only you. When I can't fall asleep, I think instead all of my best are stuck when I'm in bed. If I could trade them all for something kind of small, I'd trade them for the thought of only you. Only you. In all my dreams, it seems like something is missing. Oh, I think it's just because you aren't there with me. When it's nighttime and I'm still awake, I'm only listening to each breath you take. If you could read my mind, I know just what you'd find. Busy with the thought of only you. Busy with the thought of only you. I've only broken a string once on this trip, and I'm hoping that it doesn't happen again,
How many
Fingers
amps
crossed.
did you break? Like 10!
Okay, maybe we broke our amp on the first night of tour, and Natalie had to lend us this behemoth to take on the trip. Maybe this amp took up half the room in the van, and we looked like assholes loading in every night, like, ooh, we're Kitten Crisis with our metal gear, but it's cool, that's rock and roll.
Rock and roll.
That was
It's a good amp.
It's a great amp. Without Natalie, this tour definitely could not have happened. So thanks Natalie. know Natalie at Knox, you know? She's famous around here. She's a Knox legend, you know? Check it out on the Wiki Fire. You can come and see me anytime. If you don't tell me when, well, I won't mind. If you showed up at my house at midnight, unannounced, it would be alright. You're pretty busy, I guess I am too. I hope you know that I'll make time for you. We'll talk on the phone till morning. Being home sure can be boring. Never lonely night in the suburbs. Butterfly lines in the summer. It's a little while till we see each other again. Never lonely night in the suburbs. Butterfly lines in the summer. It's a little while till we see each other again. Oh, 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 I miss you and I'm not even gone. I miss you and it hasn't even been that long. I miss you and I'm not even gone. I miss you and it hasn't even been that long. There's not a lot of room to rock and roll in this bedroom.
There's so much room. Yeah, no, with that attitude.
She's encouraging it. I was warning you.
Well, do you feel the same than your hair? Okay, we're gonna play a few more songs. Then we're gonna karaoke it out, you know, like. I mean, I love playing in bands and stuff, but seriously, y'all, karaoke is my passion. I look forward to hosting karaoke nights here. It's my time to shine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. You only live a couple hours from me. Why don't I try to see you more often? Drive all night and show up at your door and then stay up till morning talking. I don't do the kinds of things anymore. At some point we all have to change. But after all this time I feel the same. You used to call almost every night. Used to call just to say that you missed me. Hey, I'm trying to think of something cool to say, you know?
Donate to the touring band!
Okay, so yeah, let me clear.
Love is not dead!
That's the truth. That's the truth. We're Kitten Crisis. We're here to tell you love is not dead, not yet. So that's the thing. We're Kitten Crisis. We're 1/3 from Galesburg. That 1/3 is me. Matt, who played earlier, is from Bloomington, Indiana, and Anthony, our bass player, who you can't see because he's hiding behind the door. He's from Iowa City, so you know it's like we only. Yeah, come out! This is like the only time we get to hang out and practice and stuff is when we're on tour. So we should be really good by now at this point. You know, I feel like we've been practicing all shit. I'm not trying to look at everyone on this couch. It's just the way the cards fell. You know, like maybe I'll try to turn around this way. Oh yeah, this is just going on.
Oh, perfect.
We'll play a few more. Hey, thank you. Thank you. This song's called Your Hair. This band's called Kitten Crisis.
I'll be your name!
That'd be nice. Even better, I wanna be there when you're there. I wanna be there when you're. I wanna be there when you're here. Stop getting longer. I wanna be there when you're here. I wanna be there when you're. I wanna be there when you're here. Stop getting longer.
What's up with this guitar, you know?
Keep going this way.
The Floyd Rose.
I forgot. Oh, we have 2 more songs left. Yeah, thanks for coming over. Oh yeah, you're probably not gonna see us play in Galesburg again because we've only played here once in our time of being a band, and we don't get together very often. So thanks for being a part of this.
Wait, time out.
This is peace, not time out. So wait, what? This is time out. What? Mine?
Okay, now we're ready.
You gotta smile. You wear it like it might be going out of style. And your fake wardrobe's got you looking great tonight. Sleeping next to you has never felt so right. And I don't want suburbs, but I got it. It's been a crazy year, but I got through it. I'm glad that you were here to hold me through. I don't wanna go. I don't wanna That's our last song. Yeah, that's about everything I wanted to say. This song's for Hadley. It's her birthday at midnight tonight. I wish she could be here. She loves rocking and rolling in Galesburg and has probably never seen this many people at a show. Alright, we got a FaceTime her in. She's stuck in traffic on tour right now. Really fun.
Yes!
Yeah.
Wait, where's Sky?
This song,
That's Snoop!
Sky!
yeah, where's Scott? Tour's over. Good job, y'all.
The drummer though.
Rock and roll.
This song's by my uncle. Give me the beat, boys, and free my soul. I wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away. Give me the beat, boys, and free my soul. I wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away. Basement, hear the kick drum. Everybody is asking where the gas run. And all the kids come, put their money in. Another couple of bucks and the donation bin. How the bass lines make the house shake. Make you feel like all the walls are gonna break. How the cymbals make your ears ring. You know what I'm talking about. You still can't hear anything. This is all that I want. This is all that I need. This is where I belong. This is where I should be. The hands drum, feel the beat tap. Hear a voice from somewhere in the feedback. Though you can't tell what the words mean, you can hear the emotion come through clean. There's a magic here in this bedroom. Some people spend their whole lives trying to chase it. And I found it, I guess that I'm lucky. I'm around it all over this country. This is all that I want. This is all that I need. This is where I belong. This is where I should be. This is all that I want. This is all that I need. This is where I belong. This is where I should be. Thanks. Karaoke in a few minutes, so feel free to go outside and get some fresh air. We're Kitten Crisis. Thanks, Galesburg. A life that's full. I've traveled each and every byway.
Oh my gosh, this is so
I've had a few, but then again, too few to mention. Sorry from the top of my mouth.
you're safe.